The military buildup on the edge of Ukraine should not be the United States' problem. There is no reason why the United States should be using its time and its resources to solve an issue that does not have a direct effect on us. There are many reasons against the US occupying Ukraine and solving the issue ourselves. The first of which is that the war does not directly impact us. Although it may not be the most ethical thing that Russia is setting up to invade Ukraine, which some might want to think that that's reason enough. However, Ukraine is not a major trade partner with us, whereas Russia has been for some time. So having Russia take over Ukraine would not have that big of an impact on us economically or our trade routes. Furthermore, in the past, when we have invaded countries to help combat a takeover, specifically Afghanistan, Vietnam, and other countries during the Red Scare and the Cold War, when we were trying to stop the spread of communism, we used up our valuable resources and lost American lives on a war that didn't involve us, and we eventually had to withdraw some, resulting in little to no impact in the overall outcome of the war. In continuation to that, when we wait for a direct attack or an intention of an attack like we did during the World Wars, we stayed neutral during World War I until the Zimmerman telegram, which happened well into the war, and in World War II, we waited until the attack on Pearl Harbor to directly involve our nations. By doing this, we can use up all of our resources to protect our country and eventually providing productive support to the countries involved. Continuing on, there would also be a much smaller population of protesters when the majority of the country believes that their safety is in jeopardy, thus causing more citizens to contribute to the war effort and allowing us to send better supplies and possibly more troops to Ukraine. Another reason is the inevitability of nuclear warfare. It's common knowledge that the Russians have had very many successful experiments on nuclear weapons, and has the United States. So with us getting involved in this issue, it could lead to an all-out nuclear warfare, destroying the Earth and the population of humans. By not getting involved, the likelihood of an all-out nuclear war decreases exponentially, keeping the US citizens safer in the process and the rest of the population of Earth. In conclusion, we should not invade Ukraine to help stop the takeover of Russia because it would not directly impact the economy, because of in previous wars we can use those precedences to see what would happen if we did wait till we attacked or attacked early, and it would just have a more positive impact on the war if we stayed out of it.